How can you watch a WhatsApp document video on the iPhone? Let me show you what the problem usually is and how you can fix it. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, when you go to your WhatsApp chat, you can send photos and videos normally, like they're gonna appear right away inside of the message thread, but you can as well just share or get receive like the video, which kind of looks like a document, right? And in that case, it might be a little bit tricky. You should always just click on it and it should play right away. If it's okay and if everything is fine with that file, you should see that it kind of just works like this. But if it doesn't work for some reason, you can hold it down on it, click on forward, and then there's the share button in the bottom right corner. This lets you, as you can see, share it to different apps. I, for example, have the ability to save the video to the gallery, so I'm gonna like move it from the WhatsApp chat to the gallery, and there it might be perhaps working a bit better. But I can as well just click on the more options and save it to the Files app. And this is probably the best way if you find it troubling to view the videos, because if you save it to the Files app, you'll be able to browse it in a completely different app and you'll know the file extension, you'll know the situation with it, and you can move accordingly. If you still have trouble viewing that, I recommend you to use a different video player. I like to use the VLC media player, which you can get for free from the App Store. And once you download the app, a new folder will be added to the like Files app, and any video which you move in there will actually appear in the app. And the thing is that this video player supports almost every single file type for your videos, so it's very likely that you'll be able to watch it and play it through this application. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.